I'm going to demonstrate how to use the hair bobby. This is my old one. So they kind of stretch out and they look like that after you've worn them for a couple times. So just take a blow dryer, pretty cool, put it over your used bobby and it'll shrink back down to that. Or you can put it in a cup of hot water. Mine's super old. I've had it for 2 or 3 years, so it's kind of wore out. So I'm going to demonstrate kind of what they're for and how to do them. They're to keep your hair from having to have a lot of bobby pins. So you can do a pony, a high pony, and you can do a bun without having to use a lot of bobby pins. So it's pretty cool, and it helps to not break your hair. So I'll do a high pony first. And I'm not using a brush to make it perfect and make sure there's no lumps and bumps, because that's too tight of a look for me. I like it just kind of natural. Actually, I like it natural. I don't like it perfect. So take that, depending on how thick your hair is, how many times to go around. I'm just going to go around 3, but nope. So just take and pull. And pull your little hairs out in front to give you some volume. And if you need to pull it down again, pull it down again. Look at that. Oh, cool. Pull your little hairs out. If you have baby hairs, go ahead and get them out. So there you go. Pretty cool. So I'll do a bun now. Same thing with the bun. I don't use a brush. I don't get it perfect. If you wanted a ballerina bun where it was like the big huge sock bun, I probably would maybe use a brush, but like I said, I just like it kind of natural and sort of messy. So I'm taking around, going around again. Sometimes it helps to go ahead to pull those out. So I'm gonna take it, stretch it around. There you go. See how I kind of pulled it out just a little bit? But that baby ain't going nowhere. Feels pretty good. Pulling those hairs out. Don't want to go bald from reading your hair up too tight. Looks pretty good. So there's how you can use the hair bobby. Appreciate you watching. Have a good day.